Hey everyone, again it's Landile here, the leader and the instructor of Manikwe School. You know what, you guys, I just thought I should get back to the first exercise, right? I know we've already went through it, but then again I just thought, you know what, my output wasn't quite user friendly, okay? So I thought, why not get back to the thing and then try to come up with something more convenient, okay? So here's the deal. This is what I'm doing right here. Rand int. Again, I'll apply the concept of nested loops, right, for the sake of displaying our thing properly. Okay. Oops, there was an intentional. Right there, I need to put range. I need to put 5 and J in range. Again, for range, I'll put something like 10. Okay. Let me remember again how many numbers or 50 random numbers. Okay, so it's gonna be 10 of them on each line. Okay, it's gonna be 10 of them on each line. Okay. Now what? It's gonna be as simple as going print. What is it we're printing? We're printing a random number, a random integer between 3 and 6, right? However, as for you know what, we want to stay on the same line, so that's what we've got to do. Okay, once our inner loop is finished, we need to go to the next line. Okay, so this is gonna be B 8.1b. Okay, let me hit the run button and see what we get, you guys. Again, feel free at any point in time to let me know in case I messed up, or in case you point out a logical error. Why can I say that? In case you point out a logical error. Okay, that is what I need to do right there. Okay, as opposed to just being rude, right? Because some of you out there, you guys, there's this guy, he once sent me a message, and the guy, to be honest, was so rude. He kept telling me how. Those are Java videos, by the way, that I'm talking about. He told me that some of your solutions are inefficient and effective. And I was like, man, you've got to understand one thing. I am not trying to prove how smart I am with these videos, but rather I'm trying to teach you guys different concepts. Okay. And moreover, this is meant for people who are absolute beginners. That's what I told them. But then again, the guy kept offending me. But you know what? I'm okay with that. It doesn't matter anyways. Okay. Yeah, you guys, as you can see, we have a working solution here. Let me just start over again. Rerun it. I'm trying to have something neat. As you can see, we have 10 numbers per line. That's gonna be it for the tutorial, you guys. Cheers. Go on.